just keep thinking you can't get no cuter, but you do.
There's not a dog in there. She's
Here's
over
the
here.
dog.
We'll put you in there and keep you rounded up.
Brent, here's the dog right here. Say dog right here.
Yeah, we'll put you in there with the dog. Dog? That's where the dog goes, yes. Cutter. Now watch where you're going, big boy. Well, you're the one that got out here.
He goes, just hold my hand and I'll take you where I want to go. To the sinkhole.
To the sinkhole. Is that where the septic system is, I guess?
Yeah.
Didn't pack it when they filled it in.
Another place he likes to go is over to that sand pile. Where that rabbit
The
is.
rabbit. See the rabbit? See the rabbit?
There it is on that side to the right of the...
Hello. See the rabbit?
Oh, Daisy.
That wasn't smart.
Oh, she jumped out.